Hey girl, so first of all, thank you for your support. Thank you for purchasing. So today, I'm gonna try my best to teach you how to cook a steak. You know, with the butter and everything. Huwag masyadong masarap, baka magka-baby kayo bigla ni Paul. Emma, hi, Che! Happy birthday! So without further ado, diba, sobrang customized pati yung voiceover para sa inyo lang. Step number 1 is to take out your steak from the ref and leave it mga 15 to 20 minutes. Normally, 1 hour yan. Pero since baguhan ka pa nga lang, and para hindi ma-overcook, sis Angus yan in order mo, okay? Mahal yan. Okay, so let's do this. So after 20 minutes, pat dry mo ng towel. Skip mo na yung step na to na salt and pepper kasi nga seasoned na yan. Later ka na mag-seasons kung sa tingin mo kulang pa kasi minsan may mga nagrereklamo maalat pero usually matatanda. I'm so sorry, hindi na ako magko-comment. Let's get back to cooking. Step 2, kuha ka na ng pan mo kung saan mo lulutuin yung steak. Preferably stainless steel or yung isang cast iron. So kung stainless pan like this, you should put the water like that and it should be dancing. If the water sticks, leave it pa. Medyo initin mo pa yon. So pag nag-dance-dance na siya, itapon mo na yung water and then lagyan mo na ng oil. Any high smoke point oil, pwedeng canola oil or avocado oil. Girl, wag EVOO, EFO kita. Eme. Alam mo naman tayo understanding. Okay, so pag ganyan na, lalagay mo na yung steak. Yung paglagay away from you, okay, ganito. Para hindi ka matalsikan. Ito yung talsik na masakit, hindi ito yung talsik na gusto natin. Ay, joke lang. Okay, so sear mo na mga 1 minute and 30 seconds to 45 seconds kasi makapal yung steak. Pagkalagay mo, wag mo na siyang gagalawin. Kusa na lang yan magre-release. Release? So, you can easily flip it. Sa 1 minute and 30th mark, hinaan mo na yung heat and then lagay mo na yung bawang. Flip mo lang yung bawang para kumatas yung garlicky flavor niya sa oil and sa steak. Dance mo around yung oil like this para ma-evenly distribute yung flavor. Pero wag matigas ulo ha, don't flip it yet. Sa mga 2 minutes, magiging ganito na siya, parang nag-release na siya, diba? So, tinanggal ko muna yung mga bawang kasi baka masunog. Kung medyo sticky pa, di pilit-pilitin mo, ganunin mo lang, oh. And then, eventually, if flip mo na siya. Then, since na-sear mo nga siya, maganda yung presentation side nito. As in, ganito dapat. Okay, this is what you want, yung flavor. Sarap niyan. Tostado ba? Ganon. Then, pagka-flip mo, lagay mo na yung butter and then yung bawang and then you baste. So, pagka-flip mo, start mo na ulit yung timer ng 2 minutes habang binibaste mo siya. Ganyan. So, ayan, this is how you baste. Tilt the pan and then you spoon the flavorness back into the steak and like that lang. Natatakot kang masunog yung bawang, ilagay mo sa steak, tsaka ka mag-baste ulit. So, mga 2 minutes lang tong pagbe-baste, oh, diba? Super fast, quick, and easy lang. Oh, bilis! After nyan, the last step is to rest the steak, oh, diba? Sana all may pahinga. Okay, so you're done na ganun lang kabilis, diba? It's so easy. So, transfer mo yung steak mo to your plate. Remember, presentation side up, okay? Yun yung maganda, yun yung pinapakita. Because you feast with your eyes first. So, lagay nyo lang lahat ng butter flavor dun sa steak. And then that's it, girl. Wait lang, wag palalahatin. Wag mo muna palalahatin yung butter kasi gagawa tayo ng steak fried rice later. But yeah, it should look like this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye! Good luck, girl. Kaya mo yan. Let me know. Huwag mo ako ipahiya. Kabarkada ka ng steak princess. Bye!